Hi, I'm Paige and I'm the lead designer for Chalet Signature. In addition to indoor plant arrangements for the retail store and custom indoor plant arrangements and subscription plant arrangements, we have outdoor retail arrangements, we have outdoor custom arrangements, and we have outdoor subscription arrangements. We do have holiday arrangements from November till January. Some of my favorite reactions from customers are when they say, I wake up every morning and see this arrangement on my kitchen island, and it's the great way to start the day. Or if it's an outdoor arrangement and someone says, I go to sit on my porch in the morning to have coffee, and what a serene, wonderful way to start the day.
I work with the Chalet Signature team with on-site installations. I love the people I work with. We do all 4 seasons, with fall and winter also being kind of more holiday, more decorative. Today we're here on site to do a change out to summer flowers.
I go on site and meet with the client, and then we discuss what their design goals are, where they would like to see color, where they would like to see seasonal emphasis, what areas out of their house they look at the most, and then we kind of roll from there. We create a proposal and a plan based on that customer's wishes. We do take into consideration everybody in the family's preferences so that everybody really feels involved. I have clients that just send me emails and rave reviews about flowers we put out, and they were working from home during the pandemic and they got to see hummingbirds every day, and it just really did something for their soul to be able to kind of participate and engage with nature in that way. They were able to go out and really feel a sense of pride to be able to see beautiful color in front of their house every day.